Have you ever wondered what are the basic metrics of email marketing? Do you often wonder how to boost the click-through rate with email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of email listing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about the importance of email marketing metrics. Now let's get into it. One of the great benefits of email marketing is that it delivers measurable metrics. To run a successful email marketing campaign, you need to monitor and understand email statistics such as open rate, click-through rate, center, bounce back rate, etc. Understanding these metrics will allow you to improve your email marketing campaign and achieve better results. 1. Basic email metrics you should evaluate in each email campaign. Open rate is the total number of emails opened in HTML format, divided by the total emails delivered/distributed. Click-through rate, center, is calculated as the number of unique clicks on links in the email divided by the number of emails opened. It basically means how many people interacted with your email. Bounce rate represents the total number of emails that were not delivered and bounced back. There are several reasons why the email was rejected, such as the email address is no longer valid, a server filtered the email out, or the recipient's mailbox was full and over quota. Based on your unique email marketing campaign's objectives, you can measure more advanced statistics such as number of emails opened based on region/country, number of click-through based on region/country, number of sales based on region/country/referring URL, conversion, click-to-sales, rate, total revenue per campaign, return on investment, ROI, per campaign. 2. What metrics you should focus on? Well, this really depends on your campaign's objectives. Open rate is a very important indicator to some extent, however, to get a better picture of your campaign performance, it should be analyzed in combination with other metrics, such as click-through rate, center, and click-to-action rate, conversion rate. Why is that? Because center and conversion rate are able to tell you how many recipients took an action you wanted them to take, such as purchasing your product, signing up for your newsletter, download the white paper, etc. Whereas the open rate will only tell you how many people read your email. So, in order to measure the effectiveness of your message, you need to go beyond the open rate down to the action level. 3. How to boost the click-through rate, center? Savvy email marketers not only want to get the email opened and read but also want to know how many people click through, measured by center, and they want this number to be as high as possible. There are a few key points in each email you should review because they critically influence the open rate and center. Those are subject line and greeting. Make your subject line attractive. The subject line is one of the most important factors that may affect your email campaign results. However, please do not over-optimize your subject line, otherwise it may look like spam email and the client could delete it without opening it. Keep the subject line short and specific, and if possible address the subscriber by his/her name. Compelling offer. It should be obvious from the first paragraph what you offer as well as why the offer is important to the recipient and how he or she can benefit from it. The first paragraph should grab the attention, so don't write it too long. Include your offer on top of your email and make your offer attractive to the recipient. Discount and free offers usually make users click. Call for action. Always include a call for action button or link to instruct the user to click for more details. Spam issue. Spam issue may affect your successful open rate tremendously. Most ISP and hosting companies have implemented the spam filter that can filter out suspected spam emails. Please try to avoid using any common suspected spam words such as free offer, money, 30-day guarantee, and free trial. Message design and structure. Use the same colors and images in your emails. This will help people recognize your brand. When you have a lengthy message, try to include interactive links so people can access more information through your website. Also, very few people read the email word by word, most of the readers just scan the message to quickly find out what's in it for them. Keep this in mind and structure your email. Include headings to separate the message and use bullets so the reader can easily see listed features or benefits. Today's readers are busy people, and it usually takes them just a few seconds to decide whether to read your message or delete it. Construct your message carefully and monitor your email statistics to find out what works best for your business. Email marketing lists: what you should know. Many companies the world over are in search of ways to build their email marketing lists. Established companies make attempts to obtain the email addresses of existing customers, and new companies are struggling to compile an original email list. Let's explore the things you should know when it comes to building your email marketing list. Try networking with local businesses. Attend meetings in your local area, i.e., seminars and city commerce luncheons, to exchange cards and information with other professionals. Exchange business cards and be sure to follow up via email, of course. However, you should make sure that the people in this network are interested in what you have to offer and the possibility of sharing contacts with you. It's poor form to contact businesses that wanted nothing to do with you. Try attending trade shows. Set up a booth or organize a presentation, or simply attend a show and use it as a networking opportunity. Obtain general contact information and offer promotions and free gifts. The people who fill out your information form have automatically opted into your marketing strategy. Organize and attend informational seminars geared to both consumers and business contacts alike. Use registration information and other networking techniques to obtain contacts for your email marketing lists. Retail storefronts are a great place to expand your email marketing lists. You can design a drawing or a contest that requires registration. You've probably engaged in this marketing technique before without even knowing it, i.e., registering to win a new car while shopping at the mall. Any storefront opportunities are well received and are a great way to add to your email marketing lists of contacts. Consider telemarketing. This process can be time-consuming but well the effort if done properly. You can use phone calls to touch base with prior customers, and it is a great way to rekindle old business and perhaps make new contacts. Just don't allow your telemarketing staff to call during lunch and dinner time hours. Email marketing is just like any other form of marketing and is designed primarily to open the lines of communication and to make contact with people. You should do your best to translate your everyday interactions with people into business-growing leads and contacts. To deploy a successful email marketing list campaign, you must cultivate your people skills and always adhere to the golden rule. Treat your customers as you would expect to be treated in a given situation, and your business will go far. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about the importance of email marketing metrics. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.